Hi everyone, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy breakfast recipe. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using plantain and eggs, and maybe I'll add some leftover chickpeas. Yeah, you can add anything to your breakfast and still it's going to be very amazing. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So over here I have a very huge plantain, so I'm going to cut off the ends and then I'm going to slice and peel. Once done peeling, I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a pan, and then I've added oil. So I'm going to wait for the oil to get hot as I chop my plantain. So you can chop plantain in very many designs. I love this one because they get to cook very fast and evenly. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to add in my plantain. So this is a very easy recipe and it's super fast, and it's a one-pan recipe. Having plantains in the morning is quite filling because plantains are very rich in starch, so it's like having breakfast potatoes. So you can switch up the potatoes with the plantains and you're going to have a very awesome and delicious breakfast. So if you can't find the plantains, you can switch the plantains with breakfast potatoes and still the breakfast is going to be awesome. So you're going to fry the plantains until golden brown on both sides. Plantains are basically sweet, so when they are green, they have a little sweetness, but when they turn very ripe, they are usually very sweet. So mine is just in between. So it's not very sweet and it's not so sweet. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I'm going to flip my plantains. So I'm frying my plantains over medium-low flame. So keep watch over your plantains so that they don't burn. I buy my plantains from a local grocery shop. So if you can't find some plantains in your area, maybe you can order online and try out some amazing plantain. My plantains are ready, and also you can deep fry the plantains. They're going to have a very nice golden brown color once you deep fry. But mine today, I'm going to be shallow frying the plantains. So I'm going to transfer to a paper towel just to drain excess oil. Once done, in the same pan, I'm going to add in 1 small onion and red capsicum. And then I'm going to let my onion cook. As my onion cooks, I'm going to be cracking in 4 eggs. Check on my onions. So I'm going to cook the onions until soft. I'm going to add in some salt and some black pepper. Using a fork, I'm going to whisk until combined. You can skip on the black pepper if you don't like black pepper in your eggs, but I find that the black pepper adds a lot of flavor. Once done, I'm going to add in my eggs to my pan. Scramble in as the egg cooks. I'm using low flame to scramble up my eggs, and whenever you cook eggs, make sure to use low flame because you don't want very tough and rubbery eggs. You want soft and very delicious eggs. So use low flame. So you cook the eggs according to your preference. If you like them runny, at this point your eggs are ready, but mine I'm going to cook for a further 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and my breakfast is ready. So I'm going to assemble mine just to show you how delicious my breakfast is. My breakfast is ready and it's looking totally amazing. So I've cooked my eggs to perfection. My plantain is very, very delicious, and I've served with some pixie orange, and I'm totally going to enjoy my breakfast, washed down with a cup of tea, and yeah, I'll be good for the day. So I hope you try out this amazing recipe, which is very easy and simple to make with minimal ingredients.